Hey folks, GreenStuffGAV here. This week we're back with another unboxing from weprintminiatures.com. Now, for those who don't know, We Print Miniatures are a 3D printing service that produce a whole range of different miniatures from different sculptors. And while you can buy all the minis individually, they do monthly subscription boxes, where once a month you get a box with 3 random miniatures in for a tenner. Or price may vary according to various deals. Now, because I've been doing these for a while now, they've actually reached out to me and put me on their partnership program. So there's a link in the description below that basically doesn't actually earn me any money, but can knock a couple of quid off here and there of the boxes I do for you guys. Now, they don't pay me, so I'm still going to give you my honest reviews and you can see exactly what I get and what goes on. So, we're opening upside down so you guys don't see my address details. Yeah. 3 bases. We've come away from GW1. It's been a while since. Lovely card. They've always got multiple discounts. Often just visiting the website and browsing a few pages will give you a discount code. We don't need to see that. Right, here we go. What have we got this week? Oh, that's cool. Is it the girl from The Predator? They really struggle with swords. We had the problem with this dog last week where the sword was bent, but I might have to try and... I know traditional resin you can heat up and straighten. I don't know if you can do that with 3D printed resin, so I might give that a go on this one. Look at this fantastic detailing. Little plasma caster. All these braids. Armor plates. Very cool model. Very cool. It'd be nice to do like a Predator-esque bodysuit. That'd be cool. What's this? That's a knight. But slightly modern style into the bottom half. And then all armoured torso. It's got a bit of cyberpunk thing, perhaps. Lovely design to the helmet though. That's really cool. Great massive sword, which again slightly bent, but needs some slight cleanup there from the. You see where the support struts are. So when this printed like that, I reckon. Very chunky boy. Carry this one out of the bag. We've got some young squire lass with very martial arts pose. It's a lovely sword. Almost very anime Sailor Moon-esque with these, like, you could do these as gems. I like that pose. It's very different in this one in the fact that it's very clean detail, whereas this guy's like got loads of folds and like all these straps, where she's got pretty like clean lines on her tabard, but you've still got like little bootlaces and little bows. That's really cool. I like that one. It's more on the head strange, but slight cleanup. So yeah, slight cleanup required on all 3 of these. That sword is a little bit disappointing, but that is so thin. Like, look how thin that is. That's not a surprise. It is bending slightly just by pressure, so might be able to stick some hot water on that. I will give it a go and let you guys know. Yeah, really nice. I really like them. So, thanks for watching, and as always, have fun.